Bitcoin, LUNA, UST down, and Shiba Doge holders increases and more. Fear is dominating in the crypto world as the Bitcoin trades near $30,000 and other altcoins are following it, especially LUNA and UST. Welcome to Crypto Deep Dive, where we dive deep and discuss everything happening today around cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's dive in. On May 9th, sentiment in the cryptocurrency market fell even further as an increase in the ongoing sell-off deepened, with bears diving Bitcoins below $30,334, which is one of the lowest prices since July 2021. Here are some of the reasons which are affecting the crypto market. Rising interest prices, the end of the Federal Reserve's easy money policies, falling stock prices, and fears over the Terra UST stablecoin retaining its $1 peg are all influencing sentiment in the crypto market. According to data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView, the price of Bitcoin fell to a daily low of $30,334 on May 9th as bulls hastily rallied to defend the psychologically crucial $30,000 price level. I know what you're thinking. Are we in a bear market? Nunya Business, who is an analyst and pseudonymous Twitter user, highlighted the prospect of a big sell-off before Monday's move, posting the following graphic illustrating a likely zone of surrender for Bitcoin. Nunya Business retweeted that this 8-year parallel chain has will there be another capitulation spike low within the yellow circle between red and blue, aligning with the prior all-time high. According to the chart, if such a situation occurred, the price of Bitcoin might go as low as $19,891. Let's discuss what's going on with the whales and what they're up to. According to Twitter crypto analyst Akash, Bitcoin whales have been accumulating throughout prior downturns and sideways price activity. Akash said wallets are holding 10,000 and 100,000 Bitcoin have been on a buying spree since April 30th. While this data is positive on some levels, it's crucial to note that there are no assurances against another trend change or additional decline, so traders should assume nothing and take extra precautions to limit their risk moving ahead. It is important to note that the total cryptocurrency market worth is currently $1.411 trillion, with Bitcoin dominating at 41.5%. Let's see how other altcoins are reacting to this drop in Bitcoin. One of the major altcoins, LUNA, falls 50% in a single day, erasing $10 billion from its market capitalization. LUNA had performed well over the previous 3 months, with its price rising as the DeFi asset broke into the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization despite the gloomy attitude in the cryptocurrency industry. Following a recent slump, LUNA lost more than $10 billion on May 10th, sliding from $21.01 billion to $10.96 at the same time of writing, according to CoinMarketCap figures. Terra's value has plunged as low as $8.41 billion on the same day before recovering slightly. The currency is currently trading around $31.71, down around 48.42% in the last 24 hours and 61.89% in the last week. You're probably wondering what's causing Terra Luna to plummet so dramatically. Don't worry, we'll bring you up to speed. Notably, on May 10th, cryptocurrency trading site Binance revealed that withdrawals of LUNA and UST tokens have been halted owing to network slowness and congestion. In addition, the firm stated in a statement that it will resume withdrawals for those tokens once the network has judged stable and the number of pending withdrawals has decreased. Moreover, the LUNA Foundation Guard currently has $171.4 million in the down 84% from the previous day, $86.82 million in UST reserves, down 41% from the day before, and $84.5 million in AVAX reserves. The LFG's reserves have been depleted as a result of the liquidation of its Bitcoin holdings to preserve the peg. Surprisingly, the LUNA Foundation eclipsed Tesla as the second largest corporate Bitcoin holder on May 6th. Remember that it is uncertain where things will go from here. Investors will be watching Bitcoin closely because if it continues to fall, LUNA will be affected. Given that Terra was trading as high as $95 in the previous month, some traders may see this collapse as a buying signal. Moving forward to the crypto news, you all must have heard by now about El Salvador buying the Bitcoin dip with almost $15 million on fresh Bitcoin purchase. If you haven't heard of it yet, then let us be the one to break this news to you. El Salvador's president, Nayib Bukele, announced the country's newest Bitcoin purchase on Twitter. The transaction added 500 Bitcoin to the pioneering country's hoard as asset values fell. At the time of the announcement, Bitcoin was selling for about $30.7 thousand, implying that the purchase was worth around $15.3 million. This acquisition comes on the heels of a price drop that saw Bitcoin fall below $33,000 for the first time since July 2021. El Salvador's strategy has been to buy the drop, with the nation taking advantage of prior dips to boost its Bitcoin ambitions. The government established its account by acquiring 700 Bitcoin in installments within 2 weeks of adopting the asset as legal cash, with the president thanking the IMF for the price drop on Twitter. So what does that mean for the additional utility of Dogecoin, as WordPress websites can now accept Doge payments? The meme cryptocurrency, which has long been a fan favorite, has lately gained traction in terms of payment capacity. Doge designer recently introduced a new plugin that will allow website owners to begin taking Dogecoin payments. It will allow more than 455 million WordPress websites to use the WooCommerce plugin as an easy Dogecoin gateway. The plugin is free for all website owners to use and does not require the involvement of a third-party payment processor. Meanwhile, there is no additional cost, and all that is required to begin taking crypto payments is a basic Dogecoin wallet. You all must be thinking that this is a positive step for the meme coin, and no doubt that is. However, the response has been less than expected. There were less than 10 active installs of the plugin as of Monday morning, 3 days after the payment method was revealed. So, what about Shiba, which, despite losing $4 billion in market capitalization, has added over 15,000 investors in a month? Even though the whole cryptocurrency market has been in a negative trend this week, with all of the major assets trending in the red, interest in certain of them, like Shiba, does not appear to have waned and is even increasing. Indeed, according to CoinMarketCap statistics obtained by Finbold, the dog meme coin has grown from 1,131,043 token holders on April 10th to 1,146,848 as of May 10th, a growth of 15,805 addressees. Each week, more than 3,951 new token holders, or roughly 527 each day, join the Shiba Inu bandwagon. Although a rise in the overall number of Shiba holders may not immediately affect the price, it suggests an increase in interest in it over time and may be an encouraging indicator in the long term. Thanks for watching the Crypto Deep Dive. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe.